Hi, I'm Dr. Hamsapriya from Chennai Plastic Surgery, here to talk about laser hair removal. Traditionally, conditions such as hypertrichosis, erythema, and cosmetic elegance were treated by various treatments like waxing, shaving, threading, etc., which were very slow, painful, and tedious, and also it was impractical in treating larger areas. Now, the laser hair removal has growing demand for its safety, non-invasive and pain-free procedure, and it is also possible to treat large areas. The main aim is to destroy the structure which is responsible for the hair growth, the bulb and the bulges, which is about 4 mm below the skin surface. Different part of the body has different growth patterns, which has to be restricted. I'm happy to introduce the Soprano Ulma laser machine at Chennai Plastic Surgery, which gives you a pain-free and hair-free procedure. It has a sapphire cooling system which doesn't cause the damage to your epidermis. The setting of the machine is done according to each skin type. The area to be treated is first cleaned and shaped properly. A thin coating of ultrasonic gel is then applied. So prior and post to the treatment, waxing, threading should not be done. Post-treatment, a good moisturizing cream or aloe vera gel or sunscreen should be given and should prevent from tanning. Single treatment gives you 10 to 40% of reduction and repeated treatment gives you up to 90% of reduction. Each person requires different kind of sitting. Minimum of 6 to 8 sitting is required in a period of 4 to 6 weeks gap. Let's take a look at the procedure, how it is done. The area to be treated should be assessed first. Clean shave should be done. Thin coat of ultrasonic gel should be applied. Proper eye protection should be done for the patient and the doctor. The setting of the machine is done according to the skin type.
Hi, I'm Susan. I work as a front office executive for a leading IT company. Excessive hair growth on my arms, legs and cheek has always been a very big concern for me. I tried some modalities earlier and chose laser hair removal programs about 2 years earlier from clinic. It ended up pretty dreadful experience and the pain was intolerable. I finally gave up. I happened to see an ad in the local newspaper on pain-free laser hair removal at Chennai Plastic Surgery. I kind of gained my guts to give it a chance once again. They shaved the hair of the desired area before running the probe on me. The experience was as good as having a hot stone massage. It was very comfortable and pretty quick. I hope the results would be just as good. Thank you, Chennai Plastic Surgery. I hope to come back for more services.
Hope the information is useful. Thank you.